one is what?
Information supported by other
Reputable sources. So, what then? It is information supported by the other reputable sources. So, kung nag-gather ka sa isang information, sa isang sources, maybe mamakot ka sa ibang na source, compare mo, i-cross-check mo, cross-verify na other reputable source. Last is
Is the language traditional, exaggerated, or biased?
ito siya, sige yago, masaadaw yago, number 4.
Is the language sensational, exaggerated, or biased?
Okay. So, is the language sensational, exaggerated, or biased? For example, sa clickbaits, di ba? You need to check also. Kung tama ba, lagyan ko ba ito? You need to be sensational, exaggerated ba na siya? Or it is biased? So, that's how you question when evaluating a content. So, yun yan.
Yes.
Gets? Hello?
Hi.
Hi. Okay, next is strategies to identify misinformation, disinformation, and fake news. So, you identify. Number 1, check the source. Always. Always check the source. Kung tinakalit ng balita ka na informasyon. So, next naman is ano? So, confirm the story from reputable, multiple reputable sources. So, kung may source na isa, you need to check in other source. Para ma-check mo yung legit or di siya fake news. Or misinformation mo na, or maka-disinform na information. And then next. So, analyze the content. So, watch for emotional triggers, exaggerated claims, and missing evidence. So, analyze the content. After mo cross-verify sa information. Next, number 4.
Use fact-checking tools. Sites like
So, use fact-checking tools. What are the examples of fact-checking tools? So, yung mga example ng websites, use para mga ng fact-check or fact-checkers information. Like, for example, Snopes. Fact-check.org and the other local fact-checkers help verify facts. So, ano mga reputable na nila bansa, ang mga fact-checkers? Sites. Ilan mo yung ginamit nyo? Mag-check mo sa information if it is true or not. Ang balita. Kapatid ko sa ABCB, ito lang. May balita sa hatag. Sa ABCBN, GMA or TV5, kapatid mo kung sila ang balita isa. Diba mga? So not all fact-checking tools is maybe gambal sa totoo or hindi. So you need to cross-verify into other source. So muna siya. And then last is the post before sharing. Then so think before you click. Ha? So ask yourself, if mag-share ka sa information, is this information true? Tuod ba ni? Pili ba mag-fake news ni? Analyze mo na mamaya. So, necessary ba? Necessary. And then lastly is helpful. Makabuhay ba sa iban?
Stop.
Ang mga strategies to identify